Assembling Dell monitor is quite an easy task. So this is how the package comes. This has the instruction. If you watch my video, you don't have to go through this. Then the warranty and safety card. Then you have all these accessories here. C-type cable, HDMI cable, cable tie. Then you have base plate. Then you have power cord. And then this is base plate riser. And then you have the monitor. So this is the monitor. Let me take everything out and show it to you. This is how the display is. You can see monitor, base plate riser, base plate, cable, cable tie. Now we will assemble the riser with the base plate. So see how I'm doing this. This is the part of base plate you see, and we will fit this like this. And then once we tilt this, this is where you have this screw kind of thing to tighten the base plate with the riser. So once you do this, it's a simple turn and twist. Your base plate is ready. So you see how it is facing, and this is now ready. Now, after this, I'm getting this box, and in this box, I'm placing the monitor. You will get to see why I'm doing this, and this is going to add safety to the monitor, and it makes the task also much more easier when installing all cables and bringing everything together. So in this box, monitor get placed like this. Just be sure it's delicate. Do it with safety. So once the monitor is placed, now just get this cable. This is the power cord. You see where it goes. This is the place where the power cord goes. It gets fixed. Next, I'm showing HDMI cable. So this is a little not the standard HDMI cable which will get fixed to my laptop, but you get this. So it's either HDMI cable or C-type cable which you can use. I'm showing this HDMI cable. It goes here, and then comes the C-type cable. This is the C-type cable which will go here in this slot. So you just put it like this. We have placed cable on the monitor end. Now comes this plate. So you see these two, this will come here and this will go in an angle. You can see how I am doing this. Once this is here, you put this in angle and then very gently you give a push, and now this is set. So you can take this out. The monitor will come without any difficulty and it is secure. So you can see here, I'm taking this out of the cover. Let me take this cover out and place it. So once this is done, this is one part. So the monitor has now been assembled. The second part is getting the cable to the laptop. So this HDMI cable, you see, this one is not compatible with my laptop. So I'll be using the C-type cable, this one, and just you take this to the laptop and insert it like this. That's it. So once this is done, this is set. Now comes the power cable. So this power cable goes to the power socket. Once you place it and switch it on, it starts working.